The MISConnect system features an intragingival narrow and modular abutment and is designed with a low profile, providing a tissue-level solution for various gingival heights. Connect is a stay-in abutment system, which enables the entire prosthetic procedure and restoration to occur above the connective tissue level. The Connect procedure involves attaching the MISConnect to the placed implant according to the gingival height and platform and tightening it using the Connect insertion tool. At this point, there are two options available: either placing a healing cap for a certain period or loading with a temporary restoration. Versatile in its ability to be incorporated into multiple or single restorations, the Connect may be used in traditional procedures or with CAD/CAM for both provisional and final prosthetic reconstruction. Once we are ready for final restoration, planning may be done by using an intraoral scanner and scanning the scan post, which is connected to the Connect abutment. With the planning complete, final restoration may be fabricated and placed on the abutment. The path of insertion of the MISConnect abutment is convenient for use also with bridge restorations. With its unique narrow profile, a predictable and successful outcome is easily achieved. The solution allows for a broader range of screw-retained prosthetics and may be used in 1- or 2-stage procedures. MIS. Make it simple.